Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Secure Pro Deadbolt Lock Edition from Lockly. Stay tuned.
TechToyTV.
Before we go any further, I did want to say thank you to our friends at Lockly for providing the Secure Pro Deadbolt Lock Edition. Lockly did send the unit over to us for review. However, all of the thoughts and opinions expressed within this video are my own and are not affected or influenced by this in any way. Now, let's unbox this and see what's inside.
Oh no, it has a seal and I have no fingernails. Hold on.
Alright, so you open the box up and here's a packet of information, which in here includes the quick start guide. We of course have the installation manual, the user manual, important notes, and continued important notes with troubleshooting guide. But let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. We have, this is the initial card. Treat it like a driver's license, as it's the only thing you'll have to identify ownership of your lock. Please store this card in a safe, secure location. The initial code will be required if you lose your smartphone or access code. Without this code, you will not be able to reset your lock. If you are missing the card, please contact us immediately. All right, and just because of that, I'm going to cover this up. It may have already been in the shop, but that's an important thing to keep according to Lockly right now. So we're just going to set that to the side and make sure we don't lose it. Next up, let's see what else we have. All right, so this is all of your door hardware and batteries, which I'm not going to show this. This is just your typical Deadbolt door hardware. You'll see this when we install this on the door. This right here, I believe, yes, looks like a door sensor. And this here is the Wi-Fi adapter that allows the Lockly to connect to Wi-Fi. And then we come to the unit itself. So here, first off, we are going to have, this is what will be on the front of your door. So this will be a touch screen that will light up. You'll see here, you still have access to a key in case there's any kind of failures. You're still able to open your door with a normal key. And then on the side here, you can see it is a fingerprint scanner. And then the opposite end, of course, is going to be what faces inside your home. This looks like a mounting plate. And then this is what's going to be on the inside of your door. Your typical knob here to lock and unlock, which will be automated by Lockly. So that's what's in the box here. Let's consult our quick start guide. We'll get this installed on our door, and then we'll show you the functions and features of the lock itself and how everything is set up and works once installed. So let's get to it. Installation for Lockly was a tad bit difficult. However, it wasn't too bad. I will say, pay close attention to the quick start installation manual. There are several steps that must be done in a certain way, or you may have issue with the lock functioning properly. Also, the size of the lock could be an issue for those that have any kind of ornamental decoration or glass on their door, or maybe a specific trim. And so the size is something that I think in a possible future revision could be made smaller for individuals that may have that issue. Now the step here is very important. You need to hold the program button down before inserting the last battery, as this will run a self-check from Lockly to determine if the door is a left or right swinging door, and of course that is ultra important. We've shown you an overview of the installation of the Lockly Secure Pro Deadbolt Edition. Now let's talk about some of its key features. One of the biggest conveniences with Lockly is keyless entries, and there's 3 different ways to do that. First is the Lockly app. By simply pressing a button on the Lockly app, you can lock and unlock your smartphone via Bluetooth or internet. You can also enter a 6 to 8 digit access code on Lockly to unlock your door. The door lock also comes with 2 backup physical keys in case the need ever arises. Lockly also features the world's first patented peek-proof smart lock. Also, you can turn off the keypad for additional privacy. The fingerprint scanner on Lockly is a bit different than others on the market. Other locks on the market use optical readers, where Lockly uses a 3D fingerprint sensor which uses capacitors and electrical current to form an image of your fingerprint. This means that physical fingerprints will only be accepted and lifted prints will not. You can also control, access, and monitor Lockly from the iOS or Android app. Lockly will track unlocking 24/7 and will store that in the app for review at any time. Notifications will also be sent when friends, family, or guests check in with their phones. Lockly offers an emergency power supply option. In case you have forgotten to change the batteries in the Lockly or your physical key, you are able to unlock the door with a 9-volt battery. Simply connect a 9-volt battery and you're all set to go. Lockly is compatible with the Google Assistant and Echo devices. You can unlock and lock your door as well as check the status of your door lock. Lock basement door. And as you can see, the door locked.
The basement door is locked.
And she confirms that it's locked. Unlock basement door.
What's your voice code for basement door?
And as you can see,
Basement door is unlocked.
she unlocked it and confirmed that it was unlocked. All right, so it's final thoughts time. I think Lockly is a viable option if you're looking to add a smart lock to your home. There are pros and cons. I will say I do have another smart lock installed here, and there are things that I like about it better, and there are things that I like about Lockly better. I will say 2 of the negatives for Lockly is the size. It is a rather large lock. And I also do not like that your key changes. So the key that you've been using in your lock previously no longer opens that door. Lockly excels for being an all-in-one option. Having a keypad, a fingerprint sensor is great. The competitor that I do have in the home is more of a piecemeal system where you have to buy options that are compatible with it, and so Lockly gives that to you all in one package. Overall, I would say that I would recommend Lockly, and I think that you should check them out. If you'd like more information about Lockly and the technology behind their products, visit our link in the description down below. While you're there on their website, make sure to sign up for their email list. You'll receive discount coupons and codes, as well as be kept up to date on the latest products that Lockly releases. So, what are your thoughts on Lockly? I'd love to hear those in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, make sure to hit us with that thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date on everything TechToyTV, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified each time we upload a video here to TechToyTV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Unlock, the doors are jarring, and blah, 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 blah. Blah, I can't, la, 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 la.
Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and today, nope. Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and okay, no. Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and today we're gonna be, nope.
Thanks for watching and checking out TechToyTV. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share and hit that like button. To stay in the loop for future videos, click the subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Till next time.